Do you have a dream to earn money from YouTube? But you don't want to show your face, as you are camera shy or whatever reason it may be. Then, this Tube Mastery and Monetization course can help you achieve your dream. It is a course that is designed by a teenager Matt Parry who runs 9 successful YouTube channels without showing his face or recording his own video. The Tube Mastery and Monetization course will teach you how to start, grow and monetize a YouTube channel from the ground. It makes no difference if you have no prior business experience or technical expertise. This training program will teach you all you need to know step by step. As you complete the course, you will have knowledge on how to upload faceless videos and earn money from them through YouTube Partner Program. Isn't it fascinating and motivating to know that you can make a lot of money even while you're sleeping? In these hard times of pandemic, YouTube can be a very good option for those people who have lost their job. People can bid goodbye to their financial problems by starting a YouTube channel and publishing videos in accordance with the course's requirements. This video will explain to you in detail what this course is about. Who should buy this course? What should you expect after buying this course? So make sure you watch this video attentively so you don't miss anything vital. I have also provided a link to my article on this course. So if you want to know about the course in depth, then you should definitely check the description box. What is Tube Mastery and Monetization course about? For many people all around the world, YouTube is a lucrative source of money. It is one of the world's most popular websites, second only to Google and closely followed by other social networking sites. Starting a channel on YouTube is not that easy as there is so much to learn and competition is also increasing very fast. It's very easy to become lost in the abundance of features and data that are available on YouTube. For this, you need a mentor that can help you at every point of your YouTube journey. This is where Tube Mastery and Monetization course comes in. This fantastic course will teach you how to create a successful YouTube channel, so that you can earn money online from the comfort of your own home or wherever you choose. Matt Parry has worked 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to make the course simple to understand for newcomers and amateurs. Tube Mastery and Monetization is intended for anyone who is interested in YouTube. This is a comprehensive roadmap that will take beginners all the way to earning a full-time income, as well as plenty of content for veterans to scale their businesses and perfect their techniques. If you are going to follow Matt Parry's advice, you should be aware of who he is, and whether or not he is qualified to teach you anything about making money on YouTube. Matt Parry, the sole proprietor of this magnificent course, resides in Florida with his parents. He has quickly risen to prominence as one of the world's most successful entrepreneurs. He earns more than $30,000 a month in ad revenue alone from his 9 YouTube channels. On one of his YouTube channels, he has over 1 million subscribers. Even yet, he doesn't make videos for the majority of the channel, as he outsources the work. Matt Parry has a significant amount of expertise when it comes to YouTube. He has perfected the skill of creating large sums of money in a short period of time. He is currently on a mission to help people make money using the YouTube platform through his Mastery videos and YouTube Mastery course. Tube Mastery and Monetization is a 7-module course that will teach you the skills you need to operate a YouTube channel and generate money online utilizing the platform. Module 1 contains 3 stages of YouTube. This module will set the tone for the rest of the course. It is the first step, and it consists of 3 phases: beta, intermediate, and scaling. Choosing your specialty or niche is the first step you must do during the beta phase. In the intermediate phase, you will be uploading 33 videos, and the scaling phase will show you how to outsource your work. Module 2 is about choosing a niche. Knowing your audience and the sort of material you will generate is one of the most critical things you must accomplish before establishing a channel. Because deciding on a specialty may be difficult, this section recommends some of the greatest niches available. To match your specialization, you can select from video games to golf. You will also learn how to do market research to select a high CPM niche. As a bonus, this module will give you a list of 100+ niches that are successful on YouTube. Module 3 will be about setting up your YouTube channel. This module will reveal some of the most closely guarded secrets. It includes information that you wouldn't typically discover in a course like this. You'll be working with YouTube tools and 33 rules supplied by the course to make your YouTube channel a success. You'll also discover the most effective editing methods. The most essential thing is that you will be guided through the process of developing your content strategy. Module 4 will teach you how to upload videos. The modules discussed above will show how to begin the channel. You will discover how to enhance your views and subscribers in the fourth module. In brief, you will study the methods that have proven helpful in assisting channels to expand. Matt will demonstrate how to create a video after appropriate editing as well as what makes a video go viral. Matt has gone into further detail to show you how to discover free content such as free music, stock video, pictures, and so on. Module 5 is all about growth of the channel. You've mastered the art of keyword generation and become a high-end video editor, and now you're ready to go on to the next stage. In this module, you will learn how to make your channel grow for more views and subscribers. You must grasp YouTube analytics and algorithms in order to extend the region of your YouTube channel. Matt will explain the best time of day to submit a video so that it gains popularity quickly. Module 6 will teach you how to monetize your channel so that you can earn money. You now fully understand how to discover your niche, how to edit and upload videos, how to find profitable material, how to develop SEO keywords, and so on. Matt will be your guide in this segment as he shows you how to make money on YouTube. You'll learn about several ways and tactics for making income from your YouTube videos that have been optimized for SEO. In Module 7 you will learn how to scale your channel. You now have all of the tools and knowledge you need to start generating money on YouTube with your channel. You could be interested in scaling up after the success of your first channel. That's exactly what you'll get out of this module. You'll learn tried and tested methods for expanding your channels. Wait. That's not all, there is something more that is included in the course. You will also get 3 bonuses in this course. First bonus, list of 100 plus niches. To ensure that you select the best niche or that you have already chosen a decent niche, the course gives you a list of over 100 successful niches to choose from, as well as profitable sample channels in many of those niches that you can clone. In second bonus you will get free script templates. Fill in the blank video script templates are also included to help you organize your videos. This will also make outsourcing your content and creating video scripts yourself a lot easier in the future. In third bonus, Matt will give you free channel case studies. You will get access to a separate course that shows you a slew of channel case studies in various areas to help you pick which one to pursue. You will have to pay $997 for all of this information. That is a lot of money. Though, when you compare it to other courses like it, and the benefits you'll get from it, the pricing appears to be a steal. You have the option of paying in one lump sum or on a monthly basis. If you choose a one-time payment, you will be required to pay $997. The best thing is that the true worth of this Tube Mastery and Monetization course is over $1,800 when you consider the price of each module included in the course. You also get a money-back guarantee if you decide it isn't for you within 60 days of purchasing it. This is ideal for beginners and anybody interested in producing and marketing YouTube videos. It's also beneficial to people who have been in the YouTube industry for a while. To summarize, this program is a blessing for people looking to make money online by posting videos on YouTube. Isn't it the nicest part that you can make a lot of money without having to reveal your face? You will be just an inch away from generating money once you have completed the training program. Even some of the learners begin to earn money while following the course modules. While there are many alternatives and courses available, few can assist you as effectively as this course. The fundamental facts and concepts that guide the most successful YouTubers are presented in this course. As a result of applying these principles, you will have the knowledge necessary to successfully run your channel and make a profit from it. You can also read reviews of people who purchase this course. I have also provided link to buy this course in my description box. Also, if you want to attend a free training class by Matt Parry, you can also join through my link. It's the best course available in the market if you want to start YouTube as an income source. So, this was everything about Tube Mastery and Monetization course. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and share the video. I will meet you with another product overview. Till then, goodbye.